Hello guys, how you doing? We're in the southeast of Bali today, and we're in Nusa Dua, which is a very swanky area of Bali. I have to tell you. For example, this behind me is the third checkpoint I'd have to go through to get to the beach. So let's hope it's quite a nice beach. We will see how we get on. Okay, have fun. Yeah, so like I say, I have been stopped twice at two checkpoints. I couldn't take my bike further than this one, but the beach is down there on the left. Okay guys, have a good day, thank you. And yeah, so the first one, he just kind of made me stop and then he ushered me along. But the second one made me pop the saddle and have a look that I wasn't carrying anything. I don't know what he was looking for. But there are some swanky hotels around here. They really are. So hopefully the beach is just as nice. And that was free parking, which is good. As much as I did try and give some random Indonesian guy 2,000 Indonesian rupees, he wasn't having it, which is a first. Hello gents, how you doing? Which way is the beach, please?
There is a beach.
Thank you very much.
Here, but I don't know sure.
Let's have a look. It looks like a beach. I think the most affluent part of this is just how chilled it looks. Wow, that is quiet. So Nusa Dua beach splits into two parts. So we've started in the middle and we're going to do the north part, and then we'll come back and we'll do the other part as well. It's a lot shorter than I thought it was going to be, but that area looks very interesting. So let's see what trouble we can get into up there. Yeah, it was a nice ride down here. It took me about 45 minutes. Some chaotic traffic. That's all part of the fun though. Oh, this is a really tranquil part of Bali. It really is. They're building another swanky hotel. Hello guys. Look at this guy paddleboarding. Oh, I love paddleboarding. It's hard to find a paddleboard that'll carry my weight. Well, this intermittent fasting seems to be working. I think I'm losing weight. I was doing eating once a day and there wasn't really any change to my physique, so I've started doing 48-hour fasts now, and I've done it I think 4 times. No, 3 times. I'm coming to the end of my third 48-hour intermittent fast. I've been watching YouTube videos on it, and really, you know, I should be eating a normal meal, but I'm completely feasting after 48 hours.
No, thank you.
Hello mate, how are you? Good, good. Oh, it's quite spectacular around here. It's about 11 o'clock in the morning at the moment. That squirrel. Wow. Wow, what a special place. This is a beautiful tree and it stood out right over from the other side of the park. Wow, the water is so magnificently clear. Look at that. Look at that bottle. water's very shallow. They're walking out about half a kilometre and still only ankle deep. You Aussies may be used to that, but us Brits aren't. We're used to 3 metres in being 6 foot down. When I was a tour guide, there was an ongoing conversation I had with Australians who'd finally, in Brighton, which is down south, it was a coastal town, a coastal city, and when we finally got to the end of East Street and hit the seafront, I'd say, "Welcome to Brighton Beach," and the Australians, without a hesitation of a doubt, every single time, would always say, "That's not a beach." They would have the conversation, and I'd say about how it was a practical beach because you didn't have to walk half a kilometre to go for a swim. 3 metres in and you're neck deep in seawater. Very practical. Then I always brought the subject up of the Pebble Beach, which I had no answer for. I was a tour guide for 8 years, and to this day I don't know whether the pebbles along the south of England were basically natural or brought in. I read somewhere that they were brought in from Italy to use as a defence barrier because it's basically all chalk cliffs along the bottom of England, and so whether it was used as a barrier to prevent the erosion from the chalk cliffs. If any of you know the answer, although I've been asking for 8 years, if anyone knows the answer, write a blog about it. That's what we need. How you doing, sir? Hey guys, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you enjoyed that. I will do another video now of me walking round to the other end, and we'll see how we get on. Until the next vid, have a great day. Bye.